This is a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 4.8-liter V8. Its top features include a navigation system, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a passenger side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, an unattended headlight warning chime, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.